Hello kids, and welcome back to another episode of How to Trace Alphabet Letters. Let's start with uppercase letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. Now let's move to the lowercase letter r. I is for insect. Next we have the uppercase letter J. J is for jug. J is for juice. Now let's trace the lowercase letter J. J is for Jeep.